For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. In a powerful move underscoring the growing intersection of artificial intelligence and federal technology infrastructure, Alphabet's Google and Palantir technologies have officially entered into a strategic alliance. Their mission is to integrate Google Cloud's robust computing capabilities into Palantir's FedStart program, thereby enhancing the delivery of advanced artificial intelligence solutions tailored specifically for agencies within the United States federal government. This partnership is poised to significantly influence how government operations incorporate next-generation technologies while meeting stringent regulatory and security standards. Shortly after the news broke, Palantir Technologies witnessed a notable surge in its stock price, climbing by over 7%, while Alphabet also experienced gains, with its stock price rising approximately 2.5% in the previous trading session. The market's enthusiastic response highlights investor confidence in the long-term potential of this collaboration, especially in a climate where public sector digital transformation is a top priority. FedStart, which serves as the foundation of this initiative, is an innovative program designed to simplify and accelerate the deployment of software solutions within the federal government. Originally developed by Palantir Technologies, the initiative seeks to remove the red tape and logistical complexities typically associated with government software adoption. It empowers both established technology providers and rising startups to navigate federal compliance requirements more efficiently, ultimately helping these firms bring their products to market faster and with less bureaucratic overhead. By integrating Google Cloud into FedStart, Palantir is aligning itself with one of the most advanced cloud computing platforms in the industry. Google Cloud brings to the table unparalleled infrastructure capabilities, cutting-edge machine learning tools, and a long-standing commitment to cybersecurity and compliance. When combined with Palantir's deeply embedded tools for data integration, analytics, and operational command, the result is a secure, scalable, and highly compliant ecosystem tailor-made for the complex needs of federal agencies. This integration also underscores a broader trend: the federal government's increasing appetite for leveraging commercial artificial intelligence and cloud platforms to modernize its digital operations. Government agencies face an urgent need to analyze growing volumes of data, enhance decision-making processes, and do so while maintaining absolute control over sensitive information. This collaboration addresses those needs directly. One of the most exciting aspects of the partnership is the inclusion of Anthropic's Claude, a next-generation enterprise artificial intelligence platform. Claude is hosted on Google Cloud and has now been embedded into the FedStart architecture. This artificial intelligence system is specifically designed for high-impact government workloads, such as analyzing massive datasets, generating real-time insights, and providing strategic decision support in critical scenarios. Its addition dramatically expands the functionality and appeal of the FedStart platform for agencies seeking to integrate sophisticated artificial intelligence into their operations. It's worth noting that Claude was developed by Anthropic, a company with deep roots in artificial intelligence safety and ethics. Anthropic's founders and leadership team include former executives and researchers from some of the most influential artificial intelligence labs in the world. Their emphasis on building systems that are not only capable but also aligned with human values makes Claude particularly suitable for use in sensitive government contexts. The fact that Claude is the first application to be fully onboarded to this upgraded FedStart ecosystem signals Google and Palantir's intent to prioritize security and ethical considerations from day one. Palantir's leadership has long emphasized the importance of public-private partnerships in driving innovation into the government sector. By collaborating with Google, Palantir is reinforcing its role as a linchpin in the modernization of government technology. On the financial front, this announcement comes at a pivotal time for both companies. Investors and analysts are watching closely, especially given the recent momentum behind the company's artificial intelligence offerings. Over the past several quarters, Palantir has leaned heavily into its artificial intelligence-driven platforms, positioning itself as a key player in the race to bring commercial artificial intelligence to enterprise and government clients alike. Meanwhile, expectations for Alphabet are also climbing. According to the latest forecasts from Wall Street analysts, Alphabet is projected to post earnings per share of $2 for the first quarter of the year. This represents an increase of 5.8% on a year-over-year basis. Revenue is anticipated to grow even more robustly, rising by over 10% to approximately $89 billion for the same quarter. These gains are fueled in part by Alphabet's ongoing expansion into artificial intelligence, cloud services, and enterprise software, all of which are now converging through initiatives like the one with Palantir. Alphabet stock has maintained a moderate buy consensus rating among analysts. Over the past 3 months, 27 analysts have issued buy recommendations, while 10 have given hold ratings. The average price target currently sits at $195.09, suggesting that there remains a potential upside of approximately 25.5% from the current price levels. Palantir Technologies, on the other hand, saw even more dramatic price action. During intraday trading on Wednesday, the company's shares soared by as much as 10.2% before ending the session up by over 7% at $100.82 per share. This rally was driven primarily by the market's optimism surrounding the Google partnership, which is widely seen as a major win for Palantir's growing artificial intelligence business. In an official statement, Lee Palmer, who serves as the Vice President of Technology Delivery and Operations for Google's public sector division, stressed the transformative nature of the collaboration. Palmer stated that the initiative is designed to elevate the delivery of digital services to United States government agencies while maintaining the highest standards of security and compliance. He also emphasized that Anthropic is the first software company to utilize this new capability, and its Claude for Enterprise platform is now available to federal agencies through the updated FedStart environment. Palmer added that by forging alliances with top-tier technology firms, Google is positioning itself to play a central role in advancing the missions and effectiveness of government operations. Through partnerships like this one, the company aims to bring cutting-edge innovations to the public sector, ultimately helping federal institutions achieve better outcomes and greater efficiencies. This announcement also follows a growing trend of federal agencies turning to private sector leaders for assistance in digital transformation efforts. The United States government has made it clear that artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and advanced analytics will play a critical role in maintaining national competitiveness and security. Initiatives such as this not only align with those objectives, but also help create a framework through which trusted technology partners can collaborate to solve complex national challenges. As the artificial intelligence arms race continues to evolve, partnerships like this are likely to become even more crucial. They bring together complementary strengths from industry leaders and deliver powerful, real-world solutions to some of the government's most pressing operational challenges. In the end, Alphabet's Google and Palantir Technologies have partnered to integrate Google Cloud into Palantir's FedStart initiative, aiming to deliver secure, scalable, and compliant artificial intelligence solutions to United States government agencies. This collaboration includes the deployment of Anthropic's Claude, an enterprise-grade artificial intelligence system hosted on Google Cloud, to enhance federal data analysis and decision-making. Following the announcement, Palantir stock surged over 7%, while Alphabet shares rose nearly 2.5%. The partnership arrives ahead of both companies' earnings reports, with Alphabet expected to post a year-over-year earnings per share increase of 5.8% and revenue growth of over 10%. This strategic alliance is seen as a significant step in modernizing a public sector technology while strengthening national security and operational efficiency. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.